Hey friends, how are you? Hope you are fine and enjoying study. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel StudyZone. This is the 27th tutorial of Probability Chapter 15th of Standard 10th. In last session, we have done 6th sum from exercise 15.1 and in this session, we will discuss about 7th sum. So, don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basics of probability and exercise 15.1 in that 7th question. So starting with the first, basics. Formula of probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes. Then probability of an event plus probability of a not event equals to 1. Then probability of an event starting with the 0 and ending with the 1 means minimum 0 and maximum 1. So 0 less or equal probability of an event less or equal 1. Then probability of sum of all elementary events equals to 1. Then possible outcome for elementary event equals to 1. Then probability of an impossible event equals to 0. And last, probability of sure event equals to 1. Got it? Now go to the next. It's 7th question. It is given that in a group of 3 students, the probability of a student not having the same birthday is 0.992. So, what is the probability that the students have same birthday? Now, we already know that probability of event plus probability of not event equals to 1. At the time we know here the answer of probability of not event is 0.992. So both addition equals to 1. So probability of event plus 0.992 equals to 1. So probability of event equals to 1 minus 0.992 and the answer is 0.008. Got it? If you have any doubt about it, then you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Bye bye.